This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. Flow rate calibration operation. Weigh the actually dispensed liquid using a balance or measuring cylinder to complete the calibration of the filling volume. Calibration must be carried out in the following cases: initial startup, tube replacement, tube reinstallation, significant deviation in filling volume. Install the tubing, set the parameters, and prepare the required standard measuring tools and liquid samples. On the main interface, click Settings, then Calibration, and then fill the tubing with liquid. Then tear the weighing container. Click Test to start the first measurement. For accuracy, it is recommended to discard the first filling test value. Click Test to start the second measurement. Record the value and tear the container. Enter the actual measured value of 67.8. Click Calibration, then click Test to start the third measurement. For accuracy, it is recommended to discard the first filling test value after each calibration. Click Test to start the fourth measurement. Record the value and tear the container. Enter the actual measured value of 79.6. Click Calibration, then click Test to start the fifth measurement. For accuracy, it is recommended to discard the first filling test value after each calibration. Click Test to start the sixth measurement. Record the value and tear the container. Enter the actual measured value of 81.0. Click Calibration, then click Test to start the seventh measurement. For accuracy, it is recommended to discard the first filling test value after each calibration. The calibration process is complete.